A shocking report has emerged from Odisha highlighting a deeply disturbing trend inside hostels and messes across the state. Beyond the growing menace of drugs, a new and alarming factor is fueling the spread of HIV and AIDS among the youth, unsafe social encounters. According to reports, male to male sexual contact has now become one of the key reasons behind the rising prevalence of HIV in Odisha. This has put the young generation at severe risk, especially students living in hostels and rented accommodations. Earlier, drug addiction was considered the biggest concern in educational institutions. But today, the situation has turned even more dangerous, with several hostel residents reportedly testing HIV positive. Authorities claim that a growing number of young men are being drawn towards risky sexual activities, turning boys' hostels and messes into hotspots for infection. The Odisha State AIDS Control Society reveals that over 40% of HIV infections in the state are found among the youth, mostly between the ages of 19 and 35, with students making up a large share. A letter from the Health Department to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs raises serious concerns. It warns that despite years of awareness drives, young people remain highly vulnerable to HIV. The letter cites several reasons: lack of awareness, peer pressure, absence of youth friendly health services, and unsafe sexual practices. It also flags the rising trend of same sex relationships in hostels as a growing danger. The health department has now urged immediate awareness programs in sports hostels and other institutions across the state. Earlier, migrant workers were considered the primary high risk group, with Ganjam district recording the highest number of cases, followed by Cuttack and Khurda. But new data shows Khurda is now witnessing a steady rise in infections. Social workers engaged in AIDS awareness say unsafe sexual practices remain the main driver, with alarming reports of youth also engaging in high risk encounters with members of the transgender community. By the end of July, official figures show 65,214 HIV positive cases had been identified in Odisha. Out of these, 26,737 are young people, and nearly 4,000 cases remain untraced and unregistered. This emerging trend underscores the urgent need for comprehensive awareness campaigns and accessible youth focused health facilities.
ନୂଆ କଥା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଯେ ପୁରୁଷ ପୁରୁଷ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସମ୍ପର୍କଟା ବଢ଼ିବାରେ ଚାଲିଛି, ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ କି ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଚିନ୍ତାର କାରଣ ଦେଖାଦିଏ। ସମଲିଙ୍ଗୀ ଯୌନ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଯେଉଁଟା ଦ୍ୱାରା ବେଶୀ ଆଫେକ୍ଟେଡ଼ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। ଶିକ୍ଷାନୁଷ୍ଠାନମାନଙ୍କରେ ବି ହେଉଛି, ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ପବ୍ଲିକରେ ବି ହେଉଛି। ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଅନୈତିକ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରକ୍ଷା କରି, ଶାରୀରିକ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରକ୍ଷା କରି ଏଥିରେ ଆକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି।
ବହୁତ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଆଦେହରେ ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ କ'ଣ ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ଯେହେତୁ ଛାତ୍ରାବାସରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି, ବାହାରେ ବାପା ମାଆକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦୀର୍ଘ ଦିନ ଧରି, ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ବେଶୀ ମାନେ ଇଏ ଲୋଭନୀୟ କରନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରକୃତ ଯୌନ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଇଏ ବିଶ୍ୱକୁ ଧ୍ୱଂସ କରିବ, ୟୁଥମାନଙ୍କୁ ଧ୍ୱଂସ କରିବ। କେହି ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, କାରଣ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ପୁରୁଷ ଗୋଟେ ପୁରୁଷକୁ କ'ଣ ବାହା ହେଇପାରିବ? ଯେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା, ସିଏ ତାର ପଳେଇଲା, ସେ ଆଉ କେଉଁ ପିଲାକୁ ସେମିତି ମାନେ କ୍ୟାପଚର କରେଇଲା। ତେଣୁ ଏହା ସଂକ୍ରମଣ ହେଉଛି କେବଳ ମେଲ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମେଲ୍।